Welcome back. We're here at Miller's Mustang Barn, checking out a few of Jack Miller's special Mustangs. Jack, can you tell me about this car right here? It's just this amazing red color.
Yeah, that Steve Saleen did that. That's a $20,000 paint job on there. And his wife, Liz, that's the lipstick she wore. And they named it after her, L-I-Z, Liz Stick Red. And they did a beautiful paint job on that.
Oh, that's funny. Instead of lipstick, it's Liz Stick.
Liz Stick, that's
I see
correct.
It's been signed up here.
Yeah, there's a few signatures on there.
I see John Force, and it looks like his daughter, Ashley Force.
That's correct.
Wow, that makes it special.
And this is the first Saleen that was painted this color, by the way, too. This is car number 40, but this is the first Saleen that was painted with this Liz Stick red color.
Now, I see you've got another one the same color right over here. What's the story behind that?
Same thing, that's the coupe.
Okay.
That's the coupe. They did a coupe the same color. I got both of them.
So you got a set of matching twins here.
Yes, sir.
Wow, man, they really stand out. What is on the other side?
Well, we have another Saleen over there, Mike, and that's a Grabber Green. That car was all black, and they took the engine out, took everything out of it, and painted it Grabber Green. And we're real proud of this car in our collection.
Incredible. So they completely stripped off all the black paint and then repainted it.
Yes, sir.
This is beautiful. Hey, Jack, what's the story with this beautiful blue convertible Mustang?
Well, you heard of the movie Gone in 60 Seconds.
Oh, sure.
And this is an Eleanor. It wasn't the one in the movie, but it's a convertible. As you know, in the movie, there was a coupe.
Yes.
And this is a convertible that, it's one of my favorites. You know, they're all my favorite, but this is one of them.
Wow, this thing's just beautiful. I hear this one sounds really good.
Yeah, it's real. It's probably the loudest car we have with the side exhausts.
Well, that's beautiful. What do we have over here?
Oh, we got a 1967 GTA convertible. The GTA Gran Turismo automatic with a 390 engine in it.
Wow, this has got a big block in it?
Yes, sir.
Look how it's just completely stuffed in there. There's just barely enough room to get this engine in there.
Yeah, that's one of a kind.
So 390, and then this was the first year that they put the 390 with an automatic behind it.
That's correct.
So it's very rare?
Yes, sir.
Incredibly rare.
Yeah.
Wow.
Well, there's only one. This is it. Yeah, right behind here we got a 69 Shelby GT 500. And if you look at this, it's probably one of the best restorations you've seen. And we're real proud of this car.
This is all original?
Yes, all original redone, all restored.
Now, how many of these do you think there are?
I don't know how many of these are left, but this is one of a kind also.
Mm-hmm. Another Shelby.
Oh, yeah, this is one of my favorites. This is a 67 Shelby GT 350 convertible, all restored to original condition.
This thing looks like it just rolled off the showroom floor.
Yeah. It's beautiful. It's one of my favorites. You know, they're all my favorites, but this is a special car here.
This is absolutely stunning.
We have a lot of new Mustangs, but we got you know, that are special #1s, but this is one of our special cars.
Okay. Well, let's keep walking around. Check out, show us some of the ones that kind of stand out, or maybe people have never seen before.
Well, we can go down to these dark horses.
Dark horse?
Yeah, there's 2 dark horses. These are 2 cars that Saleen, the last 2 cars he actually did. There's 25 of these cars, and there's a story going back to the beginning, 25 years ago when Saleen started. His wife, Liz, was doing the VIN numbers, the first set of things, and she forgot number 6 VIN number when they do a series of 25 or 50, and so the last 25 years they left the number 6 out. They never had a number 6 car. Well, this is the #1, and this is the number 6. That's the only 6 car they ever did.
Wow, that's a great story.
And that's Dark Horse convertible.
So the only number 6 car Saleen ever built, you own it.
That's what I'm told.
Wow, that's incredible. Hey, we're going to take another break, then we're going to be right back and check out some more of these awesome Mustangs here in Jack's collection.
What's in the Garage, presented by AutoGeek.net, is being brought to you by Flex Polishers, a true direct drive orbital polisher, available at AutoGeek.net, and by ARP, the world leader in fastener technology, and by Pinnacle, science and nature in harmony, available at AutoGeek.net.